Alright, I did another video basically on the Toro Workman problem I was having with the fuse blowing, and I had basically jumped the clutch switch. But rather than have you watch that whole video to learn how to jump a clutch switch, I figured I'd make a shorter version, which is this. Sometimes your clutch switch may be up in the front depending on the vehicle. Okay, on this particular vehicle, let me turn my light on, it's back here on the transaxle. Alright, here's my ignition coil. And right down there where those two wires are disconnected from, that is the clutch switch that it's going into. Alright, but I already had unplugged it. These are the two wires here that plugged into the clutch switch. Now, to bypass that, it's real simple. The two wires you unplugged, just plug them into each other, and voila, your switch is jumped. If your switch is bad, you should be able to come up here, turn the key on that machine without pushing that clutch in, and it should start. When you do that, make sure first the machine is in neutral, because once you turn that key, if it's not in neutral, this machine is going to take off. Alright, and please hit subscribe below, give me a like. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I do videos daily. I'll see you next time.